on the WIX editor, you want to find the specific repeater that you want it to be clickable. So for example, I'm going to make this repeater. So just click on the repeater, and then you want to look to your left side of your screen, and then click like here on add elements with this plus icon, and then you want to go to button, and on theme button, you can just choose any button that you like, but I'm going to choose on this one. Just click on the button, and then you want to attach it to one of the container, and there you go. So it will appear on all of your container right here. After that, you want to adjust it to be at the same size of the container. So just click like here and drag it to close all of the container. And there you go. After that, you want to make the button invisible. So you want to change the background color of the button and also the text itself. So you want to go to design and then click on customize design. And then on the background fields, you want to click on it. You want to drag it all the way to 0%. So it will be an invisible button. And after that, you want to go to layout of the button. And then on choose what to display. On text only, you want to click on nothing. So there you go. Right now, you have the invisible button at the size of the container. And the first one, if you want the repeater or the image inside repeater linked to the same destination, you can just click on the button, and then you want to click on link like here on the link icon, and then you can link it to anywhere, but I'm going to link it to my page, and you can just choose on one of them, but I'm going to go to shipping policy. Right now, I'm in my privacy policy, and open it at the current window, and then click on done. And then after the first container or item is linked to shipping policy page, to make others have the same destination, you can just click on the specific container. And then after you make sure you are clicking on the button, you want to click on link again. And on which page, you can just choose on shipping policy and click on done. And there you go. Right now, if I click on preview to see if it's work or not, here right now, I'm on my privacy policy page. If I scroll down and then click on the Jacob, if I click on it one time, then it will take us to shipping policy. And again, go back to privacy policy, and then we're going to try another member of my team. Here on Brimo, just click on Brimo one time, and again, it will take us to shipping policy. So it really works. And after that, you can go back to editor, and right now, we're going to make each of the image of my team member to be linked to a different destination. So for example, here on Mako, just click on Mako, click on it a few times until Mako button is appeared. And then on Mako, you want to click on link, and we're going to link it to another page. So for example, I'm going to make it on term and conditions and click on done. And then on the Java, just link it to another page. I'm going to make it to refund policy. And then after that, we're going to go to preview to see if it's work or not. Just click on preview at the top right of your screen. And right here at the privacy policy page, if I click on Java, for example, click on Java one time, and it will take us to refund policy. But if we go to privacy policy again, and then click on Mako, and then Mako will take us to terms and conditions. And there you go. And then some quick tips from me. So first, add the add element. So when you add the repeater, you want to go to list right here. And then on the repeater, you want to make sure you are choosing on this one with this scenery, because some of the repeaters is having some bugs and cannot done what we do right here. And there you go. If you still have any question about WIX, just comment down below, and I will try and do my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to make clickable image or items on WIX Repeater. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.